Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys System Engineer Exam 2022 when result and expected cutoff. Okay, so as we know that there is an Infosys System Engineer exam today and the all slots is completed like the 10 a.m. slot and the 2 p.m. or the 3 p.m. slot. Okay, and so many candidates just DM me on Instagram as well as on the social media platform. They ask some of the questions like when results and expected cutoff. Okay, so one important point that I have to mention that if you clear that exam, okay, so there is a direct interview call of technical plus HR interview, and exam date is 23rd January 2022. Result date is when? Cutoff, sectional or overall cutoff, must watch video if you are from 2019, 2020, 21 and 2022 batch, because you just give the exam today. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so I have to mention the one important point that I have that are very important. Okay, as you can see on my screen that this is the system engineer exam pattern. Okay, and these all are the sections that they ask in the examination today. But there are so many candidates, they just said that pseudocode is bit tricky. Okay, and puzzles are easy. Okay, not so much difficult. Verbal section is easy to medium. Okay, and mathematical ability or technical ability is bit some tricky, and reasoning ability is easy. Okay, so if I just talk about as a first point that when the Infosys declare the result for system engineer examination. Okay, so it will be totally depend on the Infosys team whether they will be result declared in the 15 days, okay, or 1 month. Okay, so one important point that I mentioned that. Okay, so it will be totally depend on the Infosys team. Okay, if you are shortlisted in this examination, so definitely you will got the mail like that you are shortlisted for this. Okay, and in the upcoming days or in the upcoming time you will be get the interview slot from Infosys team, that is a technical plus HR interview. Okay, so this is just related to results for SE. Okay, so it will be totally depend like they will be declared in the 15 days or 1 month to 1.5 month. Okay, so this is the time frame of Infosys results declaring. After that there is a second point like what is the expected cutoff. There is a sectional cutoff or overall cutoff. Infosys team not disclose any about of this point like there is a sectional cutoff or overall cutoff, but according to my previous experience and so many candidates, I just talked to so many candidates previously also, because this examination is not held this year. Okay, because this examination are ongoing examination of Infosys that are for the 2020, 19, 21 and 22 batch. Okay, so if I just talk about the reasoning ability, okay, so if the section, okay, if the section is very simple, so more you questions like solve, like you have to solve at least 10 question correct to pass for the reasoning ability. If I just talk about the mathematical ability, it's so tricky question, so you have to solve like 6 to 7 question correct. Okay, and if I just talk about the verbal ability section, so you have to correct 16 to 18 question. Okay, or it will be less in case, but this type of cutoff as they are follow, and the pseudocode is some bit tricky. Okay, so it will be totally depend, so you have to solve at least 3 question as a correct. And if I just talk about the puzzle, okay, so puzzles are so easy, so they will be checked like if you just correct 2 to 3 questions. Okay, means totally depend on Infosys team, like cutoff will be in between like 65 to 75 percentage. Okay, in this case the cutoff is also in between 65 to 75 percentage. Totally depend like if they just they just give the questions on reasoning ability in the slot 1, very simple. Okay, understand my point. In the first slot they just ask the reasoning ability question as a very simple. In the next slot they ask the question very tough. According to that the cutoff will be decided and it will be not disclosed by the Infosys team. Okay, so just wait for some time. This is some previous research, and I just talked to so many candidates, and I just talked to selected candidates also. They just said that in the previous examination this type of cutoff is follow. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so one important point that I have mentioned, that this is just related to cutoff and all about the point. Okay, before going on to some other point, there is a very good all India mock test GATE 2022 from Unacademy, that is related to mock test for GATE 2022, revision test for GATE aspirants every Sunday January to January 30. You have to enroll now for GATE Unacademy. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, there are so many final revisions for GATE. Okay, curated by top educators, cover your entire syllabus, experience actual exam like setting, get your all India ranking. There are so many GATE combo and GATE mega combo are there. 100 200 lucky participants to win exciting gadgets, and GATE and EAC presents end game guidance program for EAC 2021 interview, and new batches are also there. You can use our code BAGORA10 BAGORA10. Okay, and Unacademy raise a hand feature is also good. If you have any doubts, so you can talk with your favorite educators in live class. Ask by Unacademy is also good. One-on-one live mentorship platform, special class features, all the links in the description, you have to check that. Okay, so many candidates just say that, like I just have to mention that. Okay, when I just go to community, best of luck for Infosys examination. Okay, I have to change this. Okay, best I don't know how this, but best of luck for Infosys examination. Done with it, super easy. Thanks a lot. Waited for 30 minutes to detect my face. Second half pseudocode was rough. Thanks, sir. Okay, and this is just related to that. Okay, so you have, okay, so this is just related to some my previous experience, and I talked to some of the candidates. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.